So you've probably heard it or at least felt it. Your wife doesn't feel safe with you. And I know it's confusing because you're thinking, I've never hurt her. I've never raised my hand. I've never raised my voice. I work hard. I try. I care. But that's not what she means. It's not about physical safety. Yes, that's important to her, but it's about emotional safety. And most men were never taught what that looks like. Hi, I'm Charlie McKeever, your Happy Man coach. And emotional safety, well, it means that she doesn't know who she's going to get today. One day you're present and calm and connected. The next you're anxious, distant, angry, and shut down. She's walking on eggshells too, just in a different direction. Not sure when your mood will shift, not sure if you're going to collapse or chase or lash out or disappear. That's emotional unpredictability, and it makes her feel unsafe. Not because you're dangerous, but because you're unstable. A woman can't relax with a man she doesn't trust to hold his own center. And when you make her responsible for your emotional highs and lows, your confidence depends on her warmth and silence, she feels it. She can't trust it. Emotional safety isn't weakness, it's a strength under pressure. She's not asking you to be soft, she's asking you to be steady. Can you hold tension without trying to fix it? Can you stay grounded when emotions run high? Can you speak the truth without defending and blaming or folding? That's what emotional leadership looks like. It's not being nice, it's being clear. It's not avoiding conflict, it's handling it with grounded presence. And when you live from that place, she starts to relax. Not because you've won her back, but because you're finally come home to yourself. See, you're not broken. You've just never been shown how to lead emotionally. So now it's time. Let's build a steady, grounded man that she can be proud of and that you can be proud of. Go to happymancoaching.com and book a Happy Man coaching call with me. Let's cut to the heart of what's really going on and get clear about what you want for yourself and your marriage. After that call, I guarantee you that you will feel calmer and more grounded. And in addition to that phone call, I'll also introduce you to a community of men because remember, you're not alone. I'll tell you how you can join our weekly calls and how you can get connected with brothers and start living that grounded version of you again. So go to happymancoaching.com, book that call, and I'll talk to you soon.